The eagles cruise low and swoop down to snatch the fish in their powerful talons. The dead shad are easy pickings. But that doesn't stop the scavengers from stealing from the gulls. Or each other. The windfall of frozen dinners couldn't come at a better time for this female. She and her mate have a young family to feed. These nestlings are bottomless pits, gaining 20 times their birth weight in just 3 weeks. Whatever they can't eat now, they save for later in their bulging crops. They've got around 2 more months to grow big enough and strong enough to leave the family nest. As the frozen river transforms into open water, the supply of gizzard shad will eventually run out. But for now, the fishing is good. Under the sun's strengthening gaze, the mighty Mississippi slowly comes to life.